Hey everybody, I'm Eva Zacharia, and today on Weddings Made Easy, I'm showing you how to add paper flowers to your banners. Whether you have a banner that you've already created that you want to add these to, or you're starting from scratch, this is a really easy DIY. What you'll want to do beforehand is check out my videos on how to make a banner and how to make paper flowers. They're both linked in the blog post and in the video description if you're watching on YouTube. I'm using the large petal from my original DIY tutorial, and I've made an extra large petal. This one measures 2 inches at its largest point. I have a quarter for my flower centers, and I am making them out of paper here. I used the gold marker I used for my banner to color in the flower centerpieces. For this craft, I have my Miss to Mrs. banner and 6 flowers, and I'm ready to go. I want each word to have a flower on each side. There are a few different ways to do this. If you have already built your banner and trimmed your twine, that's okay. Here's how to add the flower to a shorter piece of twine. Take a small piece of it and hot glue the twine to the end of your current banner's twine. Let that dry and then glue the 2 pieces across the back of your flower. I glue it across 2 petals to help the flower hang a bit as opposed to it being centered on the twine. I also add some extra hot glue on top of the seam. If you are building your banner for the first time and haven't yet trimmed your twine, that's even better. Keep it a bit long at the ends of each word so that you have space to attach your flower. Peel the top layer of your flower back. You're going to place the twine across 2 petals. Add hot glue and then press down the inner petal layer to hide the twine. You can also use this petal wrapping method if you need to add a new piece of twine. Simply glue your shorter end inside one of the petals and then add your new twine. Here's a look at how I wrap the twine around on the back. One problem you may come across is that you've already cut your twine too short. This is also fixable. In this case, I glue the twine to another piece and then glue that a bit further over on the back of the flower. You want to glue it as far away as possible from your final letter. Repeat whatever process is best for you to complete your banner. Hang it up, and there you go. This one is just gorgeous, and it's so perfect for the springtime and the summer. If you want to make a garland out of paper flowers, you can follow the same steps for attaching the flowers to your twine or whatever string you're using. Be sure to share your projects with hashtag WeddingsMadeEasy. You can find more great DIYs online at madeeasydiy.com, on Instagram at WeddingsMadeEasy, and on YouTube. Happy crafting!